At Whitsons, our mission is enhancing life one meal at a time, and we fulfill our mission with every meal we serve. But we take it even further than that with our Chefology 101 Lifestyles program, because we care about the individual as a whole and want to immerse them in excitement around self-wellness through cooking. It is this invisible spirit of service to others that brings our mission to life in the communities that we serve. Our Chefology 101 Lifestyles program is designed to be an unforgettable culinary experience for adults of all ages. Chefology events inspire creativity, encourage wellness, and make cooking fun. These events include our Making a Meal theme, where we gather a group of individuals for a hands-on cooking event with one of our expert chefs. Our cooking demo format, where we demonstrate how to make a meal in front of a larger group. A one-on-one in-home cooking lesson designed for a more private experience. Our outdoor cooking model, where attendees can learn to master the grill. And our smart cooking model, where our chef brings along a Whitsons registered dietitian to point out all the health benefits of the ingredients used. We are more than happy to tailor any of these events to the specific needs of your community. Our goal for this program is to show individuals that cooking can be fun, social, and exciting. It is our hope that Chefology 101 Lifestyles event attendees take what they learn and continue their creative cooking techniques at home with friends and family, truly enhancing life one meal at a time.